Is your engine coolant fan running at full blast even when the car is cold? Or maybe you are seeing black smoke from the exhaust and the engine is struggling to start. These are classic signs that your car is confused about its own temperature, likely triggering the P0115 code. This code stands for Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor circuit malfunction. Here is the most critical thing you need to know right off the bat. Do not confuse the ECT sensor with the temperature sender that controls the gauge on your dashboard. On many vehicles, these are two completely different parts. The gauge might read normal because it has its own sender, while the computer is seeing a completely different wrong number from the ECT sensor. This sensor is basically a thermistor, which is a fancy way of saying its electrical resistance changes based on heat. Usually, it is a two-wire setup. The computer sends out a 5-volt reference signal, and the sensor sends a modified signal back based on how hot the coolant is. When it is cold, resistance is high. When it is hot, resistance drops. If the wiring breaks or the sensor fails, the computer might think it is 40 degrees below zero or 300 degrees hot, throwing off your fuel mixture entirely. That is why you get black smoke, which is the engine running rich, or a hard start condition. The computer is dumping fuel because it thinks it is in the Arctic. To diagnose this, you really need a scan tool that can show you live data. Plug it in and look at the value for coolant temperature. If the engine has been sitting all night, but the scanner says it is 280 degrees, you have a short to ground. If it says negative 40 degrees, you likely have an open circuit, meaning a broken wire or a disconnected plug. If you do not have a scanner, you can use a multimeter, unplug the sensor, and check for that 5-volt reference signal coming from the car with the key on. If you have 5 volts, the wiring from the computer is likely good. Then you can measure the resistance of the sensor itself. At room temperature, or roughly 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you should see a specific resistance value found in your repair manual. If the sensor measures infinite resistance or zero resistance when it should be reading a few thousand ohms, the sensor is toast. It's usually a cheap part and easy to swap. Just make sure the engine is cold before you open the cooling system so you don't get burned. Do not ignore this code, because running rich for too long will destroy your catalytic converter, costing you way more money down the road.